Hello, my name is Sahil Dhar. My roll number is 20NA 30025. I'm from section 17 and this is my first assignment for DIY. So we're using FreeCAD to make 3D structures. So the first structure I made is a twisted vase. In this, I basically used the additive loft tool. So I made 4 different equilateral triangles, each of different side, uh, twisting at 15 degrees each at different heights, and then using the additive loft tool, I made the vase structure. Then secondly, I made the pen stand, in which I first made a base of circle and then added thickness. Then I made a wall which is 3 millimeters. Then I made one cuboid which has a filleted edge, so it gives a more smooth shape. And then I used arrays to multiply it all around, and then using the cut tool I removed that cuboid from the structure to give this beautiful shape. Thirdly is this vase, in which I used a B-spine tool to make this line. Basically I had 4 different points, but because the B-spine tool, it came out in a curve. And then I used a revolve operation to have a complete vase. And then I added thickness to get this shaped vase. Thank you.